We all have questions. Should I or shouldn't I wear a mask at a trade show? What trade show should I go to? Are there differences in trade shows, white collar or blue collar trade shows? When is this pandemic over for marketing? Well, join me at Exhibitor Live in Las Vegas, where I'm going to answer these questions, along with some very important things you're thinking. How has COVID-19 changed the trade show experience for the exhibitor and the attendee? What are some safety procedures that you can follow, but most exhibitors ignore? Giveaways that help or hurt mid or post-pandemic marketing. Live presentations and audience management techniques that attract and educate while mitigating exposure concerns. And most importantly, the golden opportunity of marketing when other people fear in a trade show. So the class is at Exhibitor Live. Join me by checking out the link below.